Hi and welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build up to 1 million backlinks using Claude. So the old SEO strategy where people are doing outreach, spending millions of dollars to build backlinks is almost getting over, because what is the use of spending millions of dollars to build backlinks, and once there is an update, it doesn't matter how good your backlinks are, it doesn't matter how your contents are, people are losing traffic from Google from updates. So thanks to AI, now it saves us a lot of time that we can build up to 1 million of backlinks without hustling, without spending so much money and effort. So today I'm going to show you how easily it is to build up to 1 million backlinks using Claude. So here we can see the AI engine configuration. We have ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Grok. So what's going to happen is that we need to activate the AI engine Claude. So it's going to be connected with Claude API, and the entire backlinks and campaign is going to be built using Claude. So you don't have to worry about the API charges. AILinkBoost, they are taking care of that and make sure your campaign is successful. So before we get into that, first of all, we need to check the tool. We go to the setup. So at the setup, we make sure our license is activated, and we also have our URLs, also let's say our links also inserted, so which is about 1 million. So let's get back to settings, and what we have to do by the settings is just very simply to activate the AI engine. So now we are using Claude. We are going to click on it. It's going to verify the API and get connected. Once it's connected, we can simply start running our campaign. This is very simple and very easy. So I'm click on it, Claude, assigning IP, connected. So now Claude is connected, and now you can see the button here says start. So we are ready to start running our campaign. But then let's move to run and monitor. By the run and monitor, we can see we have 1 million links pending. So we are about to build up to 1 million backlinks using Claude. So here we have the logs, and by the settings, it is let's scroll down to the settings. Here you see enable indexing submission. So that means once the links are built, they're going to be submitted to Google for indexing, but then the links are not going to be submitted at a time to Google, so it's going to be a drip feed, so everything is going to look natural. And here we have the proxy rotation, and we also have to enable this to make sure our IP address is not exposed. So the tool is going to hide your IP address by using the proxy rotation. So let's get back to run and monitor. By the run and monitor is where we can start running our campaign. So now what we're going to do is just hit on the start. Here we have the target information. So the target URL is excluding brands DE, and we have the DA19DR34, the traffic 500, and the backlinks is 35,000. So the system fixes this automatically. And on the dashboard, we can see the proxy status. So with the proxy status, if the proxy stop running, we can see that. But then it's hard that it stop running. It keeps changing the proxies till the campaign finishes. And we have top competitors based on the keywords that the domain is ranking. And the recent activities is showing us what is happening during our campaign once our campaign starts. And the live discovery feed is going to be displaying the URLs that are being used for the link insertion campaign. So now let's click on the start. Now we click on the start, we can see our campaign is now running. So this is all that you have to do to use this AI tool to start building massive high quality backlinks without doing outreach, without spending so much money. There is going to be a short video just to show you an overview how this tool is functioning. And if we move here to additional services, for the additional services here is not configured because the package that I'm currently using doesn't allow the additional services. So by the additional services, we have this and directory listing, citations, guest posts, social links, and authority backlinks. But right now the license that I'm using is not enabled, so that is why we are only seeing here. But once I'm using the right packages, it's also going to start running and then start showing us the links that have been built. Okay, then by the data is showing us the URLs, then the status of the URLs. So we can see some are success, some are fail, but we have high chances of success than the failing ones. And here by the logs, we can see every single step that is happening in the campaign. So without wasting much of a time, if you find this interesting and want to try out this tool, go on and subscribe to this channel. So because the tool is being updated frequently, we are trying to add more features to the tool. So there is all you need to build high quality backlinks using Claude. So thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.